What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. I flew on economy on United from Chicago to Minneapolis. Let's check it out. So a flight from Chicago to Minneapolis is only about an hour, but I wanted to show you what economy class looks like on this Airbus A320 airplane. Now, first of all, the economy class seats are pretty decent, and on this Airbus, they were pretty new. They are a gray leather. They're a nice quality. Pitch is pretty short. In order to get my backpack underneath the seat in front of me, I actually had to put the backpack down and slide it in before I got into my seat. And I kind of had to actually use my feet to push it down, because if you want to bend forward, your face is going to basically hit the seat back in front of you. And so you're going to have to use a little manipulation with your feet. And that also means there isn't a ton of leg room. I would definitely recommend putting your luggage in the overhead bin, but you can kind of straddle something that you have under the seat, and actually what I like to do is put my feet underneath it. Now, the seating configuration is 3x3, so the A320s are a pretty big airplane. There is a drop-down tray table, which slides forward and backwards. There is also a little pocket behind it, so if you have one of those little foldable flight flaps, it would be a really great place to anchor and hang your phone for watching videos and staying entertained. There's also a little net pocket below the tray table, which is where I stored my headphone case. Now, the seats are pretty thin. This is really how they get more seats in there, and I actually have no particular problems with it. You can see that it's only a few inches thick, as opposed to older seats, which tend to have probably 3, 4, 5 more inches of padding. Now, I didn't find the seats to actually be that comfortable, and it really had nothing to do with the padding, just more of the shape of them. They did offer a snack, a free Stroop waffle, which I really enjoy those, as well as a beverage. But if you want to fly economy class on United on the Airbus A320, I think this is about what you can expect. Pretty decent. For an hour-long flight, worked just fine. Peter Von Panda, out.